efforts done throughout the session.
Yes, we are thrilled to honor our achievements and to share this joyous occasion with all of you. It is our privilege to have with us our guest of honor, Mr. Chandra Prakash Priyadarshi sir, a renowned personality from Gorakhpur. We are grateful that he accepted our invitation and has joined us to share his valuable experiences and insights.
Now, as to begin this event, first of all, I would like to initiate the badging ceremony. For this, I would like to invite Rashmi ma'am and Divya ma'am for the badging ceremony.
As a token of our respect and admiration, we present this small plant to our
a testament to our commitment to academic excellence. Our students have performed expectationally well in board and internal examinations, with several securing top positions at the school, district and even national levels. Many of our students have qualified for prestigious competitive exams, scholarships, Olympiads, and they made us immensely proud. We believe in the holistic development of our students. Our students have also excelled in various co-curricular activities, including debate competitions, science exhibitions, creative writing, sports, etc. So this academic year has been truly remarkable, with our students excelling in the academics, sports, cultural activities and leadership roles. Now it is time to recognize and honor the outstanding performers who have made our school proud with their exceptional achievements. Class 12 achievements. We proudly announce the Amritesh Tripathi. Big applauses for him. From the science stream has emerged as the city topper with an outstanding percentage 97%. He secured in board class 12 exam and declared at the city topper in science stream. A special mention to Prateek Pandey, who has secured 100% marks in chemistry, a remarkable achievement. Heartiest congratulations to these students for securing more than 93% in class 12 board examination, namely the Pratyush Rai 93.6%, Nilakshi Gupta 93.6%, Utkarshini, 93.2%. Keep on clapping. I request all the audience, this is a very prestigious moment. I am overwhelmed and very happy to declare these names. Please keep on clapping. Utkarshini, 93.2%. Yaduvendra Yadav, 93%. Out of 70 students in class 12, 7 students have secured above 90%, proving their dedication and commitment. Our students keep on setting up milestones in different subjects. Session 23-24 brought remarkable achievements so far as class 12 board results are concerned. In English, out of 70 students, 32 students scored 90 plus. It's a matter of proud. Give big applause to them. Physical education, 19 students, more than 90% marks. Chemistry, 13 students. Physics, 7 students. And biology, 7 students. Biology, 7 students. And many more students have secured good marks in class 12 board examination. Now of class 10th. Time comes for class 10th achievements. Our brilliant students of class 10th have also excelled in their board examination. Namely, Aditi Mishra, 97.2%. Gaurav Pratap Singh, 96.2%. Shashwat Banwal, 95.8%. Shiv Mudit, 95.8%. Pranav Singh, 95.4%. Out of 127 students, 30 students have secured above 90%, a testament of their hard work and our teachers' unwavering guidance. This all is result of APA guidance of our teachers. A special mention to Shiv Mudit, who has secured 100% marks in mathematics in secondary exams. A truly commendable scholarship for meritorious students. At our institution, we believe in rewarding excellence and encouraging bright minds. As part of this initiative, our school provides free education to all students who score 97% or more than their class 10th examination. This policy reflects our commitment to nurturing academics brilliance. Apart from academics, our students have excelled in various competitions and extracurricular activities, bringing laurels to the school. Anmol Pandey, Yashita Rai, Vivan Kela and Harshit Pandey have received first prize in Computer Prashn Manch Pratiyogita held at Maharana Pratap. It was a big inter-school competition. Our brilliant young minds Samar Singh Sisodia and Divyansh Pratap Singh of class 8 secured the third prize in Samanya Gyan Pratiyogita held in Chitragupt Mandir, inter-school competition. A proud moment for our school as our talented team, Samarth, Ishan, Udgit and Divyansh of class 8 won the first prize, showcasing their knowledge and quick thinking in the GK competition held in Maharana Pratap Inter College. Gorakhpur Mahotsav, Science Exhibition. Nitish Agarwal of class 6. Nitish of class 6 received a consolation prize for his innovative project, proving that our students are the future scientists. It's a good sign for the future that they are interested in innovation. Their ideas are very innovative and Gorakhpur Mahotsav has recognized their talent. Vritti 3rd B, primary child. Vritti 3rd B won the first prize in modeling competition, proving her creativity and innovative skills. Pratik Mishra, 5th C, also displayed his artistic talent by securing first prize in English calligraphy, held at Maharana Pratap Intro College, impressing everyone with her beautiful handwriting and precision. Sports achievements. Sports play a crucial role in shaping discipline and teamwork, and our students have made us proud with their outstanding performances. Table tennis CBSE cluster round event, silver medal in under 13 years age. It was a team event held at Happy Model School Varanasi. Our children secured silver medal in it. Tejas Maurya, give a big applause. It was very difficult event. All CBSE school have participated in Varanasi. Arul Gupta, give applauses to Arul. Is Arul present here? Abhinav Pratap Singh. This was a team of table tennis cluster under 13 years of age category. Table tennis singles under 13 years of age category, silver medal and national selection. Tejas Maurya, he was international Himachal Pradesh event and he secured gold medal. And CBSE East Zone boxing cluster held at Hari Bahadur International School, Varanasi. Raj Vishkarma gold medal under the 60 kg weight category. Sankalp Khare bronze medal under 55 weight category. National CBSE boxing competition held at SD Senior Secondary School, Haryana. Raj Vishkarma was selected for nationals. CBSE zonal skating competition held at Lucknow Public School. Tejas Yadav class 4 gold medal under the 9 years of age category. Give a big applause to Tejas Yadav. And Tejas was also selected for CBSE National Games held at Karnataka. These young achievers are the future of our school and their dedication is truly commendable. These accomplishments inspire their peers to dream big, work hard and believe in themselves. A heartfelt thanks to our teachers, parents and students for their unwavering support and encouragement. Let us continue to nurture the talents of our young learners and help them to achieve even greater heights. Congratulations to all our young winners. Keep up the great work and continue to shine. I would like to conclude my report oration with this memorable, and this is dedicated to Ma Saraswati. सरस्वती तेरे कोश की बड़ी अपूरब बात, जो जो खर्चे त्यों बढ़े, बिन खर्चे खर्चा. Thank you and have a blessed day.
We hope that the next time the list of our achievements will be even longer. We also welcome Geeta Ma'am, Onkar Sir, Dharmendra Sir, Dr. Vinay Rai Sir. We are grateful to you that you accepted our invitation for this felicitation day.
As we begin this wonderful event, what better way to set the tone than with a delightful performance by our little stars? Dance is the language of joy, and today our Tiny Tots performers are here to welcome you all with their graceful moves and innocent charms.
Their enthusiasm, energy and excitement will fill this place with positivity and happiness. So without further ado, let's welcome our adorable little dancers as they present a beautiful welcome dance. Let's give them a huge round of applause.
धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम कविता एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है मोहन गांधी। एक थे अपने मोहन गांधी, साथ में लाए वो एक आंधी, हाथ में लाठी घड़ी भी लटके, चश्मा पहने तन के पर, अंग्रेजों को भी मार भगाया, भारत को आजाद कराया। धन्यवाद, आपका दिन शुभ हो।
And then there is the second performance lined up. I would like to call on stage Pranil.
हुए हैं कि अगर एक ही इवेंट को हम एज फिल्म दिखाएं और उसी इवेंट को टेक्स्ट बुक में एज स्टोरी लिखें तो जो टेक्स्ट बुक की स्टोरी को पढ़ता है वो ज़्यादा फोकस्ड होता है और जो ऑनलाइन में उसको एज फिल्म देख लेता है तो उसका ब्रेन उस इमेजिनेशन को नहीं करता, वो इमेजिन करने का मौका नहीं मिलता, वो सामने सामने दिख जाता है। लेकिन जब बुक रीडिंग टेक्स्ट में करता है तो उसके इमेजिनेशन उसे खुद करने पड़ते हैं। जैसे कोई स्टोरी पढ़ रहा हो टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में और लिखा हो वहाँ नदी बह रही है, वहाँ पहाड़ है, सूरज उग रहा है, तो उसके ब्रेन के न्यूरॉन जो है उसका एक फिल्म बनाते हैं और ये जो न्यूरॉन की एक्सरसाइज होती है ये ब्रेन को आपको शक्तिशाली बनाती है। तो इसलिए सभी अभिभावकों से अनुरोध है कि वो अपने बच्चों से को प्रेरित करें कि वो बुक रीडिंग ज़रूर किया करें। नोट्स आज सब कुछ के अलावा बुक रीडिंग जब तक नहीं करेंगे तब तक वो जो हमारा CBSE चाहता है, जो NCERT की बुकें चाहती हैं, वो पूरा नहीं होगा। क्योंकि जब बुक रीडिंग करेंगे तो उसमें तमाम हर टाइप की चीज़ें दी गई हैं, हाउ टू थिंक, और कई क्लस्टर्स में उसे बांटा गया है। तो बुक रीडिंग आप अगर कराएंगे, अच्छा बच्चों को हमेशा जो है उनका मॉरल हाई रखिए। आप लोग भी एक कहानी जानते हो कि बच्चों को कभी डिमोरलाइज न करिए। हर बच्चों के अंदर एक आग छुपी हुई है, उसे जितना हो सके उसे उत्प्रेरित करिए कि वो अपने मंजिल तक पहुंच सके। आप लोगों ने कहानियाँ सुनी होंगी एडिसन की और तमाम लोगों की जिनको उनके गार्जियंस ने प्रेरित किया और वो आगे बढ़े। तो गार्जियंस का प्रथम कर्तव्य है कि बच्चों पर ध्यान ये दें कि बच्चा डिमोरलाइज तो नहीं हो रहा है, और वो जब शुरू में सर्किल का भी असर पड़ता है। अगर बच्चा कुछ गलत बच्चों के साथ रह रहा है तो अपना टाइम वेस्ट करने को ही अच्छी चीज़ समझता है। कुछ दिन उसका सर्किल चेंज करिए, उसके अच्छे बच्चों के साथ रहने के लिए प्रेरित करिए। सर्किल चेंज होगा तो हैबिट चेंज हो जाएगी। और एक बार हैबिट चेंज हो जाएगी तो उसे हर आदमी को 20-25 दिन लगता है किसी नए इन्वायरमेंट में ढलने में। अच्छे बच्चों के साथ रहेगा 20-25 दिन तो फिर उसको अच्छाइयाँ अपने आप अच्छी लगने लगेंगी। तो सभी उन गार्जियंस को हमारी तरफ से ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ जिनके बच्चे इस परिसर में अध्ययन करते हैं। उन बच्चों और उन अभिभावकों को भी ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं जिन्होंने अच्छे स्थान प्राप्त किए हैं। और हमारी यही कामना है कि शिक्षा एक तपस्या है, उसमें विद्यालय के अलावा अभिभावक भी सहयोग देंगे, तभी हम लोग इस यात्रा में आगे बढ़ सकेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Have earned them a place among the best.
As a testament to their hard work, we are honored to present the prestigious H.P. Shahi Memorial Award. This esteemed award is a symbol of our institution's commitment to recognizing and rewarding academic excellence.
To confer this prestigious award, I would like to request our distinguished guest of honor and director sir to kindly join us on the stage.
lives.
Your patience in their struggles, your encouragement in their failures, and your unwavering belief in their abilities have played a crucial role in shaping their journey. Without your support, these achievements would not have been possible. So as we honor our young achievers today, let us also take a moment to applaud the parents whose dedication and love have made this day so special. On behalf of the entire school, we extend our deepest gratitude and appreciation to all the wonderful parents. Thank you for being the guiding light in your children's lives.
I request everyone to give a round of applause for all the parents sitting out there. We really appreciate you all. Now, I would like to welcome Shivastu Suri,
Who has contributed immensely to the school. Through dedication and discipline, we also request our esteemed Director Sir and Chief Guest to kindly do the honors and felicitate our Pearl of Pillars. I request them to kindly come up on the stage.
Class 11. Anmol Pandey, Class 9. Next we have Samarth Sisodia of Class 8C. Prakriti Agarwal is the next one, so please be ready. Now we have got Arav Rai of 5th grade, please be ready on the stage. Next we have Advika from class 3rd. Shikana UKG. Next we have Shoy. Next we have Vega Singh from Next we have Zara Arshad from UKG. Thank you ma'am for your valuable time.
Next we have Arya Chaturvedi of 2nd A. Next we have Anika of 2nd C. Now we have Vaishnavi Singh of 2nd D. Shaurya Pandey of 3rd C. Omji Mishra of 4th A. Anshika Pandey 5th B. Next we have Chitra Singh of class 5th C. Of class 5th A who has 400. Akash Swaroop of class 8th C.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tanvir Tripathi. I study in class 5. बाधा विघ्नों को चूम चूम शह धूप घाम पानी पत्थर पांडव आए कुछ और निखर सौभाग्य ना सब दिन सोता है सौभाग्य ना सब दिन सोता है देखे आगे क्या होता है मैं थी की राह बताने को सबको सुमार्ग पर लाने को दुर्योधन को समझाने को भीषण विध्वंस बचाने को भगवान हस्तिनापुर आए भगवान हस्तिनापुर आए पांडव का संदेशा लाए तो न्याय अगर तो आधा दो पर इसमें भी यदि बाधा हो तो दे दो केवल 5 ग्राम रखो अपनी धरती तमाम हम वही खुशी से खाएंगे पर जल पर असिरा उठाएंगे दुर्योधन वह भी दे ना सका आशीष समाज की ले ना सका उल्टे हरि को मारने चला जो था आसान साधने चला जब नाश मनुज पर छाता है जब नाश मनुज पर छाता है पहले विवेक मर जाता है हरि ने भीषण हुंकार किया हरि ने भीषण हुंकार किया अपना स्वरूप विकराल किया डगमग डगमग दिग्गज डोले भगवान को होकर बोले जंजीर बनाकर साथ मुझे हाँ हाँ दुर्योधन बांध मुझे यह देख गगन मुझ में लय है यह देख पवन मुझ में लय है मुझ में विलीन चक्का सकल मुझ में लय है चक्का सकल अब रक्त फूलता है मुझ में संघार झूलता है मुझ में उद्याचल मेरा दीप्त भाल भूमंडल रक्ष सर्व परिधि मंद को घेरे हैं, मुझ परिधि मंद को घेरे हैं, मैनाक मेरु पग मेरे हैं, दिखते जो ग्रह नक्षत्र निखर, सब है मेरे मुख के अंदर। त्रिग हो तो दृश्य कांड दे, त्रिग हो तो दृश्य कांड दे, मुझ में सारा ब्रह्मांड दे। चर अचर जीव जक्षर अक्षर नश्वर मनुष्य सुर जाति अमर, शतकोटि सूर्य शतकोटि चंद्र शतकोटि सरित्सा संदुमन, शतकोटि विष्णु ब्रह्मामय शतकोटि विष्णु जलपति धरे, शतकोटि रुद्र शतकोटि काल शतकोटि दंड लोकपाल। जंजीर बढ़ाकर साध इन्हें, हाँ हाँ दुर्योधन पाल इन्हें, भूलों का तल पाताल दे, भूलों का तल पाताल दे, गत और अनागत काल दे। यह देख जगत का आदि सजन, यह देख महाभारत का रण, मृतकों से पटी हुई भू है, पहचान इसमें कहाँ तू है। अंबर में कुंतल जाल दे, पद के नीचे पाताल दे, मुट्ठी में तीनों काल दे, मेरा स्वरूप विकराल दे। सब जन्म मुझी से पाते हैं, फिर लौट मुझी में आते हैं। जीवा से करती ज्वाल सदन, सांसों में पाता जन्म पवन, बढ़ जाती मेरी दृष्टि निधर, हंसने लगती है सृष्टि उधर। मैं जभी मूंदता हूँ लोचन, छा जाता चारों ओर मरण। बांधने मुझे तू आया है, जंजीर बड़ी क्या लाया है। यदि मुझे बांधना चाहे मन को, पहले बांध अनंत गगन। सूने को साध न सकता है, सूने को साध न सकता है, वह मुझे बांध कब सकता है। हित वचन नहीं तूने माना, मैत्री का मूल न पहचाना, तो ले मैं भी अब जाता हूँ, अंतिम संकल्प सुनाता हूँ। याचना नहीं अब रण होगा, जीवन चर्या की मरण होगा। टकराएंगे नक्षत्र निखर, बरसेगी भू पर वही प्रखर। फन शेष काट का डोलेगा, विकराल काल मुख खोलेगा। दुर्योधन रण ऐसा होगा, फिर कभी नहीं जैसा होगा। भाई पर भाई टूटेंगे, विषबाण दूध से छूटेंगे, वायश विगार सुख लूटेंगे, सौभाग्य मनुष्य के फूटेंगे। आखिर तू भूषाई होगा, हिंसा का पर्दाई होगा। थी सभा सन्न, सब लोग चुप थे या थे बेहोश पड़े, पर दोनों ना अखाते थे। धृतराष्ट्र विधुर सुख पाते थे, कर जोड़ खड़े प्रमुख निर्भय, दोनों पुकारते थे जय जय। थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम वान्य सदस्य है, मैं कक्षा LKG-B में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। उस कविता का शीर्षक है आहा टमाटर। आहा टमाटर बड़े मस्ता, वाह टमाटर बड़े मस्ता। आहा टमाटर बड़े मस्ता, वाह टमाटर
Anji Mishra of class 4. Next we have Anusha Singh of 5th grade. Followed by Yantisha Singh of 6th. Next we have Anvesha Singh of 9th grade. You will rejoin. We have Divyanshi Pandya. And rounding out the list we have Aditi Mishra of class 11. Thank you sir for your valuable time.
I, Samyak of class 8B, going to recite a poem entitled The Frog and the Nightingale, composed by Vikram Singh. So here the poem begins. Once upon a time, a frog croaked away in the Bengal bog. Every night from dusk to dawn, he croaked on and on and on and on. Other creatures noted his voice, but alas, they had no choice, and the grass cacophony blared out from the sumac tree, at whose foot each night the frog minstrel dwelt in morning light. Neither stones, nor prayers, nor sticks, insults or complaints or praise, settled the frog's determination to display in his heart elation. But one night a nightingale, in the moonlight cold and pale, perched upon the sumac tree, casting forth a melody. Dumbstruck sat the gaping frog, and the whole admiring bog stared toward the sumac lap, and when she had ended, clapped. Ducks had swum and herons waded, to her as he serenaded, and a solitary loon wept beneath the summer's moon. Toadstools and tiddlers captured by her voice cheered on in rapture, bravo, too divine, encore. So the nightingale once more, quite unused to such applause, sang till dawn without a pause. Next night when the nightingale shook her head and twisted her tail, fluffed her wing and closed her eye, and had cleared her throat to sing, she was startled by a crow. Sorry, was that you who spoke? Yes, the frog replied. You see, I am the frog who roams this tree, and in this bog I have been well known for my splendid baritone. And yes, of course, I have wielded my pen for the bog trumpet now and then. Did you like my song? Not too bad, but far too long. The technique was fine, of course, but it lacked a certain force. Oh, the nightingale confessed, greatly flattered and impressed, that such a critic of notes had discussed her art and throat. I don't think that the song is divine, but oh well, at least it's mine. That's not much to boast about, said the heartless frog. Without a proper training as I and few others can supply, you will be a mere beginner, but with me you will be a winner. Oh dearest frog, the nightingale breathed. The nightingale breathed. You are a Mozart in disguise, come on earth in front of my eyes. The frog said, oh well, I'll charge the modest fee, but oh, it won't hurt, you will see. Now the nightingale inspired, flushed with confidence and fire, with both art and adoration, sang and was a huge sensation. Animals from miles around flocked towards the magic sound. Next morning it was raining. He began her vocal training. I can't sing in this weather. Oh dear, come on, we'll sing together. Just put off your scarf and sash. Coash. The frog and the nightingale journeyed up and down scale for 6 hours until she was shivering and her throat was hoarse and quivering. Though subdued viewed the sleep deprived, in the morning, in the night her throat revived, and the sumac crab tilted with the endless down. Owl of sandwich, duck of cake, mallard and milady drank, mutton cardinal and mephisto, and the coot of Monte Cristo. And the coot of Monte Cristo. And now the frog who sold her songs of silver tried to scold her. You must practice even longer until your voice like mine grows stronger. And my dear, lay more praise, audience enjoy such strains. Now the nightingale grew more sorrowful and pale. Night on night, tired song, zipped and trailed and bounced along. Now the frog puffed up with rage. Brainless bird, you are on stage. Use your wits and follow the fashion. Puff your lungs out with the passion. Now the nightingale, trembling to fade, heard him in the silence. Tried, puffed, burst away and died. Said the frog, I tried to teach her, but she was a stupid creature. But little bird, you must know that your song must be of your own. That's why I sing with penny and kuash, kuash. Thank you, everyone.
Give a thunderous ovation for Samya.
True excellence is not just about academic success, it is about balancing knowledge, talent, leadership and perseverance. The Best All-Rounder Award is a tribute to student character. These students embody versatility, determination and accomplishments in all the
Next we have Nita Janmala, UPGB.
Next is Om Trivedi of LKGB. Next we have Nishika Rai of UKGD. Next I would like to invite Samya of Aradhya Pandey of course. Devansh Shukla, second A. Nishita Saxena, second D. Next we have Nagendra Mishra of third C. Dev Gupta, third D. Akrajita Singh, fourth A. Pallavi Singh, fourth D. Abhinav Tripathi, fifth C. Nivriti Shahi, fifth D. Aradhya Gera, sixth A.
Next on the list, we have Nitish Agarwal from class 6C. Next we have Ayushi Yadav of 6D. Next we have Abhyuday Boria of 7C. have Pragati Yadav of 8th B. Next we have Vaishnavi Rai of class 9. Now I request Anisha Didi and Anmol Bhaiya to please take the charge.
But about perseverance, discipline, and an unbreakable spirit. Today, we are here to honor an exceptional athlete who has displayed outstanding dedication, skill, and leadership in the field of sports. The Sportsman of the Pillars Award is a tribute to a student who has consistently excelled in athletics, inspired others, and brought pride to our institution. We now respect our sports team that includes Pavan sir, Kamli ma'am, Vishwaraj sir, and Harvinder sir to felicitate these students. Please, I again invite Pavan sir, Kamli ma'am, Vishwaraj sir, and Harvinder sir to felicitate these students. A huge round of applause.
It's Anavia Khan from class LKGC. Now it's turn for Ayog Sharma from class LKGD. I would like it's Ayan Singh from class Vanya Tripathi from class UKTC. Yashasvi Raj from We have Athar Chand from class 4C. We have Aditi Shukla from class 5th A. It's Rashmi Yadav. Thank you. Adhar Singh from class 6B. Manya Yadav from class 6C. Adarsh Kumar. Prakhar Singh from class 7A. Madhuri Yadav from class 7B. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Anya Gupta from class. Abhishek Yadav from class 8. Shagun Singh from class 9A. Sheikh Saurabh from class. Madhav Kumar Pathak. Shivaji Bharti from class 6. Thank you, ma'am.
Shreyash Yadav, LKG D. Advik Paswan. Naira Yadav. Vedant Singh, first day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Midakshi Rishabh Jaiswal, third day. Word D.
Thank you, Lord Tamam, for felicitating our students. Next, we have Nisha Yadav.
Next we have Abhay Shahi from class 1B. Next we have a very familiar name, Srivat. Next we have Umid Ramraida from class 9B.
The truth is often looked at by our perception rather than the truth itself. Therefore, it is essential to bring out.
Next we have Ishan from class 8C. Of this glorious ceremony. So first of all, I would like to thank our guest of honor, Mr. Chandra Prakash, and chief guest, Mr. Anil Dhingra, for their valuable time. And also, thank you all the parents for joining us. I request everyone to stand for national anthem. Again, thank you everyone for joining us. So with this,
I request all the teachers to gather in the assembly ground. Please be seated. Please be seated, all the teachers.
Session which has ended today, but it is not the end of another session, but the starting of a new session. So, as we give children timing for fun and frolic, we believe that they are tired, exhausted. So, our director sir has announced 3 days session break leave for all the teachers, but some clauses are there. Till class 8, all closed. Means 23rd is Sunday, tomorrow is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Closed. Okay, 3 days excluding Sunday. And the restriction is that 11 class, senior classes, 11, 12, whichever is there, their extra classes will be on. For science, maths, it will be scheduled by their coordinators. As well as tomorrow is orientation program of pre-primary, LKG and UKG. So their teachers will arrive here as per the schedule given by the coordinator, Mrs. Vandana Savlani. So she will give you details of the program. I think that it is decided also. Your presence is required tomorrow, and rest all will be Sunday obviously only. And some entrance exam is there of class 11. Those teachers who have got invigilation duty, they will be here. And I feel happy and delighted to announce the successful end of this session. Teachers, really this journey was very, very commendable from your side. You did not leave any stone unturned. And today I saw the cheerful faces of parents that showed that you are well coordinated with the parents. Because parents and teachers coordination only can improve the child. And in the series of list of vote of thanks, first before I set out further, I would like to thank our director sir, mentor ma'am, Ishan Rana sir, Mahima Rana ma'am for their support. And special mention our honorable director sir for being the catalyst that gives us energy to do our best and stand as the pillars of strength. Sir, really you are our strength. And I appreciate all the parents, their solid support to us, and that motivates my teachers, and they are more and more energetic when they get support of parents and teachers. In words, your contribution cannot be explained. Today is the day to acknowledge your contribution, your support, your focus, and because of you, we have witnessed this day today. And children, many performers today appeared on the stage. This all was the parents and teachers coordination, especially in the primary section. And behind the curtain, we have source of energy behind the curtain. Here I would like to announce few of the names because they are very less in number. Mr. Rajiv Singh, Mr. Nagin, Mr. Arvind, Mrs. Twinkle. These names cannot be missed because their contribution, they don't come on the stage, but their contribution is really very meaningful for us. And manual staff, our helpers, without them, under the supervision of Mrs. Manju, Mrs. Shalini, today also I found their work really very good. They were very vigilant, they were taking care of everything. So give a big round of applause. In exam, they were exhausted, they were troubled by many of the quick decisions here, there, but they were running, they were never ever tired. So give a big applause to our helpers. And a special mention to Mrs. Narayani Shahi She has Narayani ma'am. Narayani ma'am, thank you so much. Credit goes to you in discipline. Wherever we go, people talk about discipline of pillars, and the day you have joined, you have brought many changes. Thanks for Narayani ma'am. Give a big applause to Mrs. Narayani and Mrs. Asha, Mrs. Rashida, both of the music teachers. So some few names only I can call from here, but from my side, Miss Tanya, Mrs. Namrata, Miss Samya, Miss Ayushi, Miss Diksha, many are here. Those who have Sharon, they all have contributed a lot. Mrs. Rashida, Ranjana, Vanna Savlani, all, if I call them it will take time, but all of you, I thank you a lot for completing this. Mr. Pawan is standing at the back, his support, he is performing board duty, but whenever I called him in the school, even I think that yesterday night, after 9, he made me call for some flex work, ma'am, I am here in the school. So it shows dedication, it shows affection, it shows the responsibility of being a senior teacher of the school. So I thank Mr. Pawan also, all the teachers. I am very, very thankful for the successful conduct of this session. Enjoy your session greatly and have a blessed day ahead. Mrs. Rashida wants something more.
Teachers are not saying anything. Now only from male teachers. Hip hip. See, very few